Why is omega-3 so important when it comes to anti-aging? Hi and welcome to my channel, Christina V1. I am Christina. So today I'm going to talk a little bit extra about omega-3, the fatty acids that are so important for our health. Did you know that every single cell in your body needs omega-3? It's to create a protective membrane around each cell, the cell membrane. For that to keep healthy, we need omega-3. And to make sure that the right nutrients goes into the cells and that we effectively can also get rid of toxins from the cells. So this whole thing has to work properly for us to feel good and to reduce and minimize the inflammation in our body. And omega-3 work as a very important ingredient in this protective layer around each and every cell. And it's extra important for the brain cells. They need extra layers of this protective layer. So that is super important to have enough omega-3s in your body for healthy brain, healthy body, healthy cells. And did you know that just as we have organs within our body, each cell also have small organs within them, and they called organelles. So these small organelles, the different function of them, and one of the important ones, or they're all important, but one of the ones that create the energy for our body, that's the mitochondria. So to keep the mitochondria healthy, it's really important to stay healthy, to minimize inflammation, and to have a good energy production in the body. That is when the ATP is produced within the mitochondria. And just as we need the omega-3 to protect the cells, we also need the omega-3 to have a protective layer around the mitochondria. So the mitochondria also have this protective layer of omega-3 around them, which make them being able to function better, and we can feel better, have more energy. And so omega-3 is one of the really important supplements that I recommend. Unfortunately, you have to eat a lot of fish to get enough omega-3, and also we know that it can come with a lot of heavy metals, mercury and other heavy metals when we eat too much fish, which is not good for our body and can cause too many free radicals that we want to avoid. So have a good supplement. These days you can also get really good vegans omega-3 that is made from algae and which still produce the long fatty acids, because that's what you want to look for, the DHA, the long fatty acid change for the omega-3, because that can then be broken down to the smaller change wherever that is needed. So I just love this omega-3 that can help us so much, not only protect the cells but protect the mitochondria and make sure that we stay healthy. If you want to know which supplement I'm using, just look in the comments below. But remember to take care of each and every cell in your body and be kind to your mitochondria, because they are the life-giving, energy-producing organelles within each and every cell in your body. Wishing you a beautiful day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.